Yeah, hello guys. So welcome to my channel again, and this particular video I am bringing you a good news of a particular platform that has been launched. And if you see my account balance, I have 385 Ghana cedis in my account. Okay, now the moment you register with my link, they are gonna give you free 15 Ghana cedis for free. Okay, now guys, so anytime I see opportunities, I try to share with you guys. Okay, those of you who followed my previous video about that platform that I introduced you to, you guys, most of you has made a lot of money from that particular platform. And even that platform is for about more than 1 month now. That platform is still paying. So I just want to add this particular platform to you guys so that you can be able to make a lot of money. Those of you who have been chatting me that I should be bringing more platform for you to make money, this is another platform that I want to introduce to you guys for you to be able to make some cool cash for yourself. Okay, so I discovered this platform yesterday and I registered and then made a deposit. So now I have gotten my results or my profit, as you can see over here in my account. So I'm gonna make a live withdrawal for you to see, then I will explain to you how this platform works. You understand? So guys, I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a content creator. I only create content about money making, how to make money for yourself, and about your finances. Okay, but I am not your financial advisor. This is a disclaimer. Okay, I am not your financial advisor, so don't take this video as a financial advice. Okay, so before you dive into any other platform or any other teaching that I do over here, make sure you do your own research. You understand everything. You are willing to take a risk before you dive into it. Okay, so I am not responsible for any kind of losses that you are gonna make in the future. You understand? So I just want to explain to you about the packages. So this one is a MoMo platform. This is the same thing as any other MoMo platform that I post over here. It's about investment. You invest your money, then you make profit based on the amount that you deposit or you invest. You understand? Every 24 hours you get your profit that you just withdraw. You understand? It's very simple as that. So you can click on the link in the description below. You create your account. You understand? So if you want to create your account, it's very simple. Let me just log out right now. Now this is how you register. Okay, it's very simple. So just enter your phone number. The phone number, you see that the 0 is there already, so don't add the 0. Just start from either 5 or 2. Okay, then you enter your login password. You repeat the password. When you finish, don't do anything again. Just click on confirm. That is all. You just log in into your account. Okay, so now I've logged in back into my account. So this is how this platform works. So if you come to the product over here, okay, you see that down there they have the product over there. They have different products over here. So you have to go through all those products, and then you see the one that you think you can afford. Then you go and buy those products. Then you make profit based on the amount that you deposit. Okay, so if you check the first product, which is glass filled PA12, right, that one, the price is 120 cedis, which the cycle is 80 days. Okay, and then the daily income is 20 Ghana cedis. At the end of the 80th day, you're going to earn 1,600 Ghana cedis. But it is not compulsory for the 80 days to reach before you can make withdrawal. You can make withdrawal as far as you reach the minimum withdrawal, and I'll teach you how much is the minimum withdrawal. You understand? So that is the first one. The second one is 300 cedis. The daily income is 55 cedis. Then the third one is 700 cedis. Daily income is 130 cedis. Then the next one is 1,700 cedis. Okay, so if you deposit 1,700 cedis to buy this one, you'll be earning 325 Ghana cedis every single day. And then every day you are going to earn every day you are going to earn 325 Ghana cedis. That is why you are seeing 385 cedis in my account here. You understand? So the product that you want to buy, I bought this one, and then I'm making my profits every single day. Okay, that's why I'm making a video to show you guys. Okay, and then the rest are what they say prohibited. It means this one has not been launched yet. So as time goes on, they'll be launching the rest over here, guys. As I'm telling you, it is I want to take my own risk. That's why I invested for this one, the 1,700 cedis, to earn 325 Ghana cedis every day. You understand? So if anyone that you think you can afford, just go in for that. And I'm not forcing anyone. This is not a force. I'm just teaching you how I make my own money. I'm just teaching you guys how I take my risk. You understand? So now if you want to buy any product, what you do is that, let's say I want to buy the first one over here. Okay, so I'll click on a buy right now. Okay, so 120 cedis, so which every day I'll be earning what, 20 Ghana cedis every single day, right? So if you want to buy that one, the moment you click on buy, this the same thing applies to the rest. If let's say you want to go for this one, 700 cedis, you click on buy. Anyone that you want to buy, after you finish doing the deposit, you click on the buy. Now let me teach you how to do the deposit before I come and teach you how to buy. Okay, so I'll come and click on the mine here, then you click on the recharge. So any amount that you want to deposit, if you click on it, okay, if you click on a recharge and it opens, you just enter the amount over here. Go and look at the product, and then you make your own deposit. If let's say you want to deposit 1,700 cedis over here, you enter it there. Then they said, well, please fill in your deposit wallet number, the number that you are going to use to transfer the money to this your account here. Put that phone number here or that MoMo number here. When you finish, they said channel A. Okay, that's what channel A. Just leave it like that. Then come and click on what, recharge now, right? But before then, let me teach you something here. They said the minimum deposit amount is what, 120 cedis. So don't deposit less than 120 cedis. If your money in the MoMo account is not more than 120, don't transfer, because it will not come. And they said deposits below 120 cedis will result in your deposits not being credited to your what, Markforged account. You understand? So that's the name of this particular platform. The platform is called Markforged. Okay, very good. So you can read the rest over here. Okay, and I said after making deposit, please wait 10 to 30 minutes. If your deposit does not appear for a long time, please contact customer service. You see, very good. So that is so after you finish filling these things here, you enter your phone number. Okay, so I will enter, click on what, recharge now, right, like this, right? So the next page is gonna open for you. Then you click on what, submit over here, right? So you click on a submit. The moment you click on submit and this page opens, you just click on the plus here to copy this MoMo number here. Okay, it's a Vodafone number, okay, or Telecel number. So go and transfer the money to this particular number. I hope you know how to transfer money to Vodafone, right? You know it already. *170#. Then you go to option 1, transfer money. Then you go and click on, you choose the options for what, other networks. Okay, then you choose Telecel. Then you enter the number and then you send the money to the particular number. Okay, you click on the what, get results over here, right? So then when you finish doing that, they said no payment received. Okay, because I haven't done that. I have done it already yesterday, right? So the money has been what, reflected into your account. You come back to the product here, then you come and buy. Okay, so let's say if you want to buy the first one, you click on the buy here, then you click on what, confirm over here. That's all, right? Something like this. So you've been able to buy the first product, which every day I'll be earning 20 Ghana cedis. Okay, it's not compulsory for you to buy the first product first. You can jump to any other product to go and buy. Okay, you can choose to go and buy the second product, the third product, the fourth product, depending on how much you have in your account. Okay, so now I've been able to purchase this one. So let me go back and make some live withdrawal for you to see how this platform works. Okay, so I want to withdraw. I want to make some withdrawal. So I'll click on the withdraw over here, right? And I'll click on what, to say choose bank. Okay, choose bank. Now before I go there, okay, you let me click on the choose bank here, that, right? Then you go and bind your what, bank account or your MoMo number to your account. Okay, so you click on the add over here, right? Then they said receiving account name. This is how you bind your MoMo account to your account. Okay, they said receiving account name, the name on your MoMo number. Please enter correct MoMo number, the correct MoMo name. If it is Kojo Mensa, make it Kojo Mensa. Don't make it Mensa Kojo. Else, if you make withdrawal, you will not receive your money. Okay, so I'll enter my MoMo. Then after that, I'll click on this place there, wallet account. Then I'll enter my MoMo number here. MoMo number, correct MoMo number. Okay, after I finish entering the MoMo number, then I'll click on what they said, account types. Okay, then I'll choose MTN over here, right? Then I'll click on a done over here. Okay, so after I finish doing that, then I'll click on what, confirm. So I've been able to bind my what, MoMo number to my account over here. Okay, now I finished binding my MoMo wallet to my account. Okay, so when I finish, I'll just come and click on what, this place here, enter value. So I have 265 cedis in my account. I'll come and click on it. Then they said please check amount that I'm going to receive. I'm going to receive 233 Ghana cedis. Okay, because they will take 12% charge. You understand? Check the rules here. the minimum withdrawal amount is what, 40 Ghana cedis. If the money in your account is not up to 40 cedis, don't withdraw. Okay, they said no restrictions. There are no restrictions on the time and frequency of withdrawal. This means you can withdraw at any time at all, at any time, at any day. Okay, now as I said, the fees is what, 12%. Okay, processing time, they said withdrawals usually arrive within 2 to 3 hours, but no later than 24 hours. You understand? So you can read the rest over here to understand how it is. So after I finish entering my number here, I'll come and click on what withdraw money now. Okay, now I'm able to submit the order. So within some few minutes, I'll be receiving my 233 cedis in my account. Okay, so if you want to make more money, you can refer your friends over here. So but first of all, if you are going to make withdrawal and you haven't bind your MoMo account here, you can click on this place here, bind bank. Okay, bind bank. I have bind mine already. If you have not bind yours, you see add here, click on the add, then you add your MoMo account to your account here. Okay, but one thing I want to tell you guys is that please, multiple account is not allowed in this platform. Don't create multiple account. One phone for one account. Okay, so if you know you have 2 numbers on your phone and you want to create multiple account on your phone, please, they are going to ban your account. Don't do that. One account, one phone. You understand? So they are still processing it. So within some few minutes, I'm going to receive the money in my account. Okay, so let's see. So now if you check in my account, you are going to see that I have received the money right now. That's what 233 Ghana cedis in my account. Okay, from Teresa Celestine Dogbe. Okay, so this platform is paying, guys. So as you can see, the proof that I have shown to you over here, I just made the withdrawal within 5 minutes. I have received the money. Okay, so if you check, I received the money around 5:10 p.m. If you want to register your account, you can click on the link to register to start making money from this particular platform. Guys, I hope you understand. So please, can you do well to subscribe to this channel, like the video, because I'll be making more videos about this platform for you. Okay, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all, so that you don't miss any video I make about this particular platform. I hope you understand. See you next time. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. I love you all. Peace.